Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So namhlanje ngizokhuluma umdlalo weOrlando Pirates. Yabo le ndaba leyadinga ngiphathi kahle insuku. Kade ngicabanga indaba kaJabulani Mngone with iOrlando Pirates. Umjida kade afika kuOrlando Pirates usenesikhathi kade afika. And asibe never umjida uyi-defending right. Yabo umjida umdlali o-right for iOrlando Pirates. Yabo into umjida kade afika kuOrlando Pirates wayedlala nomfuking le ku-DDC, wayedlala nabonkota le ku-DDC, wayedlala nabombokazi le ku-DDC. All of those players I've mentioned bapromothwa iOrlando Pirates. Bapromothiwe badlala kwe-first team. Umjida yena akakaze ayithole opportunity ukuthi ayodlala kwe-first team. Yabo I'm sure abantu abaningi bazoyibuza ukuthi why lo mjida lo engakaze alithole ithuba. For me I think nginayo i-reason. Yabo reason number 1, uma subheke i-right back position iOrlando Pirates i-loaded, inabadlali abaningi lapha abayi-quality. Yabo I'm not saying umjida kasiyona i-quality, uyi-quality e-right kakhulu for iOrlando Pirates and we deserve ukuthi apromote, but ukumpromota umjida kungaba nzima for yena ukuthi akwazi ukuthi avale lesa sikhala lisa. Another thing is umjida akanawo umzimba we-defender. Yabo mwase umbuke yena akekho fit for ukuba i-defender. Ama-forwards amaningi akwazi ashesha adlule lapha because kudingakala i-strength. For me bengibuka uJabulani Mngone ngibona i-forward, akiliboni i-defender. Yabo abadlali nje aba-strong abanjengo-Ikram Reyners bangasheshe bayidlulele kulo mjida kanje because umjida yena ngoba fit akekho that fit. And iyangwarisha kakhulu indaba yakhe umjida because I feel like uzoba lost kwi-system iOrlando Pirates. There are many youngsters iOrlando Pirates esekuyaba nabo vele ngaphambilini, but ke lawo ma-youngsters asawaboni njengamanje. Yawakhumbula nje amabophela Twins, awasekho njengamanje lawo ma-Twins lawo, asawawo ukuthi asekephi. Yabo they were lost in the system. So umdlalo njengaye asifuni ukuthi sesimbona kwamanye ama-clubs, sesimbona idlala kuma-tournament wakogasi. Yabo because ezinye zeyindaba lezi engizwile ngayo umjida engayithanda. So into Orlando Pirates engayenza because right now udlala vele ku-DDC. Into engayenza Orlando Pirates vele last season bazama ukuthi bamlone beno-Seth Green bemlona le ku-Upington. Maybe what they can do right now is to umjida bamshintshe position. Yebo bamshintshe position, maybe bamdlalise ezi-right winger. If you know Bukayo Saka lo udlalela i-Arsenal, Bukayo Saka started as i-left back ye-Arsenal. Yebo waqala as i-left back ye-Arsenal. Arsenal yabona ukuthi cha kahle kahle sina yabo siyashota lapha phambili, we need more wingers. So asimconvert uBukayo Saka adlale as i-winger. Bukayo Saka right now is one of the best wingers in the world, but lo mjida wayedlala as i-left back. Yabo why don't we do the same with uJabulani? Why don't we do the same with yena umjida simconvert abe i-right winger ye-DDC? Athi ukudlala as i-right winger ye-DDC, I remember umjida vele wayiyona i-winger bamconverter wabi left back, wabi right back njalo. Why bengamconvert back umjida adlale up front, adlale more up front, add ama-numbers phambili, sithenga ama-defenders e-DDC azodlala i-position yakhe umjida just prepare for i-first team football. Because mina mengibona yena ngibona umdlali odlala phambili, ngibona umdlali one-pace, ama-cross awashayo umjida, one of the best guys okwazi ukushaya ama-cross, uyakwazi ukupinpointa ipass. Yabo ngeke ukwazi ukuthi umfake esiswini, ungamfaka mhlambe number 10, ungamfaka mhlambe number 10, but when I see him I see i-winger. Yabo unalo umzimba lo we-winger, umdlalo ucwephe mfethu okwaziyo mfethu ukushona phezulu, akwazi ukushoshela mfethu umdlalo usheshe yabo osheshayo. Ngibona into kanjalo, but ke abanye abantu bangasho okunye mhlawumbe abanye bangasho ukuthi abamdayise. Yabo ngifuna ukuzwa ama-views eni bafethu, nina nicabangani ngoJabulani Mngone? Mina I like this player, I really like this player, I like it DDC Orlando Pirates, but ke at some point kumele kube khona ama-decisions azowenziwa phela. Lo mjida lo kade ahlala kwi-DDC i-Orlando Pirates usenesikhathi nje esiningi kakhulu ade aqala ukumbona. Ingabe siyamenza i-winger noma siyamdayisa? Because ukuthi apromote ngaba nzima kakhulu. Leya position le ayidlalayo ayikho mnandi kakhulu kuOrlando Pirates. There are many players who are playing there already.